Welcome to our i21 feature review tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at our newest cart fueling feature for quoting cardlock pricing that is available in 18.3. With this feature, you will be able to provide quotes to customers for your sites and remote sites within the CFN and PackPride networks. However, this is not possible for retail, extended remote sites since the networks do not provide costs for these. These quotes can be looked up live by your staff, by your customer via the portal, or can be set up for email distribution. We will start with setting up messaging. This is located in Common Info, Report Messages. Here you can set up a specific message that will be printed or emailed with the quote. Next, we will set up Quote category. This is located in Card Fueling and the Setup menu. And from the screen, you'll select the Quote category button. Here you'll add a row for each category of items that you want available to be quoted. Next, we will set up customer quote groups. This is located in Sales, Customer Groups. Here you can set up a group for different quoting distribution frequencies, such as daily or weekly. Our next setup will be for email configuration to receive the quotes. This is located in Sales, Customer. On the Contact tab, you can add an email distribution for CF Quote to one or more contacts. The last step of setup is to assign the settings on what to quote for each customer. From the customer screen, we can access additional info, card fueling. This is also located on the menu via Card Fueling, Accounts. On the Quotes tab, we will need to assign a quote group and select up to 5 products to be quoted. After that, we will add sites that will be quoted for this customer. As a note, we will only send out quotes for sites that have network cost or a local price index. These can be imported or set up manually via the Card Fueling menu on network costs and the index pricing by site group screens. Next, we will demonstrate how to run the quoting process. There are 3 ways to quote a customer. The first method is for your staff to give a live quote to a customer over the phone. This is located on Card Fueling and the Quote menu. Here you will need to select the customer you want to quote. The site is optional, where you will quote a single site, or you can use the city and state field to search for multiple sites. Product can also be specified for a single item or left blank for all products. The date will be used to find the closest cost pricing to calculate a price for the customer. Once your criteria has been entered, you'll click the Get Quotes button. The grid will be returned and display details on the network, site number, name, city, and state. For internal review, you will also be able to see the details of the price adjustments, taxes used in the calculation of the gross price to the customer, as well as have the ability to expand the detail to see individual taxes where applicable at your sites. The second method is for your customer to get a self-serve quote. This is available in the web portal via the Card Fueling section and Quote option. The results for a portal user will be limited to site and product information and only the gross price, including all markups and taxes. The third method is for sending out quotes to customers en masse. This is located on Card Fueling, Generate Quotes menu. This is a multiple step process to generate, print, and email the quotes. During generation, you can select a customer for a single quote or leave blank to quote all customers. The Quote Group field will allow you to select a group of customers at once. Enter an effective date for finding quotes, pricing, and costing. And the Comments field is optional and will allow for a one-time comment to be included with this quote. After completing your parameters, press the Process button to generate records for quoting. This will return a list of customer records that were generated. Press the Print button to preview to your screen what the quote would look like for a customer. Press the Email button to send quotes to all customers. Here's an example of the email that a customer would receive with a PDF of the quote attached. Thank you for watching our i21 card fueling quoting tutorial.